Hello everyone, I will teach you how to install Python modules. Let's go for the first time. First, install the module as the command prompt before opening the editor. This time, we will proceed with Python already installed. First, type pipe install. This is the same for the all module command. Next, we will install a module called numpy, this time as an example. OK, installed. If it appears like this, it was successful. Next, let's try uninstalling the software. The only difference is that the command is uninstall. Just select yes, i.e. type Y. OK, when you see something like this, the duration is complete. Last, let's install it again. OK, after this, let's actually enter the code in the editor and check it. numpy is a library for efficiently handling multi-dimensional arrays. As a convention, it is alias as np. Then enter the following. It can be constructed with the np array function. Create an array from a list. Finally, use the print function and execute it from the top right triangle button. OK! Thank you so much for joining on our YouTube channel. Next time, I please say thank you. Goodbye.